When you sign up with Turo, one of the first things you encounter is their insurance options. Turo Insurance is not provided directly by Turo itself, but through third-party partners, which means that the details of coverage can vary depending on whether you are a host or a guest. For hosts, Turo offers several protection plans that determine how much of your earnings you keep versus how much coverage you receive. At the higher end, you get more comprehensive coverage for physical damage and liability, but Turo takes a larger share of your rental income. At the lower end, you keep more of your payout but take on significantly more risk if something goes wrong. For guests renting a car, Turo provides optional protection plans that cover damage to the rental vehicle. However, these plans can be confusing and the cost often adds up quickly, sometimes making the rental less affordable than it first appears. Some users report that the claims process can be drawn out, with long waits for communication and inconsistent resolutions depending on the type of claim and the insurance partner involved. It's important to note that if you decline Turo's protection as a guest, you are responsible for any damage, and your personal auto insurance or credit card coverage may or may not apply. That uncertainty can leave people vulnerable, especially if they assume they have coverage when they don't. Many renters also mention that Turo requires a security deposit in some cases, which can add to the overall cost. Hosts have raised concerns about how Turo handles disputes between renters and owners. Some report that damage claims are denied or reduced even when there's clear evidence. On the other hand, there are also positive experiences where Turo paid out fairly and quickly, so the experience is not consistent across the board. Transparency is often the biggest issue people highlight, with many users wanting clearer terms and faster claim resolutions. One positive aspect is that liability coverage is included in all host protection plans, which offers peace of mind in case of accidents involving third parties. For renters, the protection plans can help avoid large out-of-pocket expenses if something happens during the trip, but the cost can sometimes rival what traditional rental car companies charge for insurance. The Turo insurance system is built to balance risk between Turo, hosts, and guests, but it comes at the expense of simplicity. Understanding the fine print is crucial before making a choice. If you're considering hosting, you need to carefully compare the plans and decide how much risk you are comfortable with. If you're renting, you should compare the cost of Turo's protection with what your existing insurance already covers. Overall, Turo Insurance provides a functional safety net, but comes with frustrations in claims processing, cost, and clarity. It is neither the cheapest nor the most transparent option, but for many users, it's necessary to feel secure when using the platform. If you found this review helpful and want more honest breakdowns of services like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button so you don't miss future updates.